So YouTube strategies, video monetization. That's when you can monetize your videos. That means anytime someone watches your video, you get paid money for it. Ranking #1 strategy. YouTube is now the second biggest search engine in the world. So if I type in, for example, Anthony property lettings, do you come up, right? Are you #1? If you're not, if you're invisible, guess what? No one's going to buy stuff from you. Video funneling, one of the fastest ways to monetize right now. Record a video of your product, put it on YouTube. In fact, that's what's happening with this seminar, right? So, this is now streamed on YouTube. So a lot of people on YouTube are watching it, and then, people will watch the video and then they're going to, share it. And so that's how you drive traffic to your website, right? Massive exposure hack. You can actually target videos specifically to do with what you want to earn. So let's say, for example, you do gadgets, all these, like, those fidget things you can buy, those gadgets. You can target every single video on the internet on YouTube and put your ad in front of that video, right? So the simple strategy is we have an online shop. There's YouTube. We drive that traffic to our shop, drive the views to buy. That's it. So this is how it works. So let's say we put a video up, we have 1,000 views, we drive them to our site, they buy something for $100, say 10% buy, that's 10 grand, right? So it's an easy £10,000 just from driving traffic, but you need to get the views. Views equals income. This lady here, she's got almost 6 million views. She would have made at least 50,000 from this video, just from the views alone. And she teaches makeup tutorials. Her sister has makeup samples and she makes 84 million from YouTube, Michelle Fan. She has 700,000 subscribers paying her $10 a month. That's 7 million a month she's making just from YouTube. This band here, Jessley, they do cover songs. They got 56 million views and they put a link in the description to divert the views to the shop to buy their single on iTunes for $1.29. So if just 1% of people buy, that's $600,000, right? This is Alan Ung, one of my students. He said, John, I don't have a business. How do I make money from YouTube? I said, all you need to do is just record a video of what you're passionate about, put it on YouTube, and people will start watching it. So he's got 200,000 views, but he's only got 2,000 subscribers. So one of the best ways to hack YouTube is you just model titles that already have millions of views. And that's exactly what he did. I Can't Help Falling in Love with You is a Elvis Presley song. So when people finish watching Elvis Presley, YouTube, because the titles are the same, they'll suggest his video. That's how he gets thousands and thousands of views for free. Now he sells his music. The people who buy his music are people who are getting married. They buy the song to get married down the aisle, right? They listen to the song and then they're walking down the aisle. If you sell physical products like skipping ropes, you can place your product under every skipping rope video, right? This guy he sells braces to keep your shirt tucked in all day. Look, 1.8 million views this has had. How to keep your shirt tucked in all day. The conversion is 2.35% of people that go to a site after watching a video. So the calculation of that is 1.8 million views, 1% go to buy. And that's 18,000 people that buy those stupid braces for £3.15 each. They make £56,000 just from a stupid little video, right? It really is interesting.